This is one of the absolute classics when it comes to meal prep. We are going to go for 5% fat beef mince. Carbohydrates that I'm going to use, up to you whether you use a rice, cook a rice, and just measure out the rice uncooked and then make sure that is tracked. You can use like the Uncle Ben's microwave packets, which are really good, and then half a pack is a good portion. The carbohydrates I'm going to be using are mixed beans. I'm going to add chopped tomatoes in with that. Good source of protein, good source of carbohydrates with the mixed beans. And then plenty of veg, peppers, onions, and then you can add more veg, green leaves, some spinach, that kind of stuff. But let's get cracking. One thing I almost forgot, I'm using the Frylight low calorie spray. This is 1 calorie of extra virgin olive oil cooking spray. So just gonna pop in 5. 1, 2, 3. The macros in the description below, but this is a lunch or a meal that is sub 450 calories. If you wanted to put 500 grams of mince across like 4 or 5 lunches and add like a basmati rice or a white rice with that, and you could add 50 or 60 grams of uncooked rice times 5, yourself an absolutely awesome meal that's only going to help you feel fuller for longer, right? It's going to tick all those boxes that are going to be really helpful. Add in like just eating really slow, making sure that you're really hydrated, and you know, this process of dropping body fat and building good sustainable habits with nutrition and food is going to be absolutely game changing. So yeah, do not be afraid to add a portion of rice with these meals and put 500 grams of beef mince across like 4 or 5 lunches.